Kalachakra literally means wheel of time. It is a complex initiation rite with the aim of activating the seed of enlightenment which lays dormant within all living beings. Butter lamps symbolize this enlightenment. The central ritual revolves around the creation of a picture made of colored sand, a so-called sand mandala. It is a depiction of an inner landscape representing the wheel of time and being the abode of a Buddha with more than 700 deities or manifestations of the Buddha nature. It is so hard to comprehend that we turn to the Dalai Lama himself. The sand mandala is highly symbolic, very hard to understand for someone of Western culture. Do we have to understand it as a blueprint for a three-dimensional structure? As if it was not just a flat surface, but...
Yeah, that's right. Then, of course, these paintings, mandala is a form of painting. Now, in this case, by sand. That actually the reminder of our visualization. The actual mandala, at the, first you meditate on emptiness or shunya. Then that very mind which completely absorbed into the ultimate nature, now that become or transform into physical world. So this is a mandala in the form of mandala, and with deities, more than 720 or something. I can't remember now exact
Too
number.
complicated.
So all these deities at these different places, all this is symbolized of the particles of our body as well as cosmology, like that. So the main thing is visualization, not external mandala, but internal mandala, some visualization.
There is a specially enclosed area set aside for the creation of the sand mandala. This is the surface on which it will be laid out. First, the empty space has to be consecrated. Work on the sand mandala has begun. Normally the Dalai Lama would lay out the first line, but as his illness continues, very learned monks have to proceed without him. The very center of the pattern is the wheel of time. To guide the monks through this labyrinthic design, there's a whole library of blueprint instructions.
Here is 8 monks, because one is tired and then others comes help.
You work around the clock?
Yes.
24 hours?
Not 24 hours, but started in the morning 6 until to midnight.
And when you close your eyes, do you still see the mandala when you work so concentrated? Can you see it with your closed eyes?
Yes, I can see it. But I can't show you how it's vision, you know. It's thinking.
consequence is the destruction of the mandala by the Dalai Lama. To show the impermanence of all things created, the sand of the mandala will be thrown into the Mur river, where it will flow out into the world as a blessing.